Okay, namba C, hamjambo na karibuni sana kwenye kipindi chetu cha mafunzo ya lugha ya Kiswahili. Hamjambo is a greeting. Karibuni means welcome kwenye kipindi chetu cha lugha ya Kiswahili, means in a Swahili lesson. So I think today we shall be having some revisions for what we've been learning in Kiswahili. And before I start, I'd like to encourage you to learn Kiswahili. Take it seriously because it's a very important language. If you know Kiswahili, you can be able to communicate, especially here in Kenya. You can be able to communicate with all the tribes in Kenya. The Kikuyu, the Luya, the Luo, the Kamba. Yes, they speak in different languages, but they are connected to one language, which is Kiswahili. If you go to Uganda, they speak Kiswahili. If you go to Tanzania, they all speak Kiswahili, and other countries in this continent. So I encourage you to learn Kiswahili and take it seriously, and together we shall make it. Kwa hivyo karibuni sana na asanteni sana. Moja kwa moja tuanze. Shall start right away. So we shall start with greetings. In Kiswahili, we have greetings, morning greetings. We have the afternoon greetings, and we also have the evening greetings. So, good morning in Kiswahili. So one of my students here, can you tell me how you say good morning in Kiswahili?
Habari asubuhi.
Very good. Habari ya asubuhi.
Asubuhi.
Can you say habari ya asubuhi?
Oh, habari ya.
Yes.
Asubuhi.
Good.
Okay.
Habari ya asubuhi. Good morning. Habari ya asubuhi.
Habari ya.
Yes. Habari ya asubuhi.
Habari ya asubuhi.
That's good morning, and this is how it's written. Pen, I think I need to take it out. Habari
ya asubuhi.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Asubuhi.
This is how it's written. Habari ya asubuhi. Good morning. Habari ya asubuhi. So that's how it's written, and Kiswahili is very simple to write and to pronounce, and it's the language that you can learn it quickly than any language in the world. So good morning, habari ya asubuhi. Now we have the afternoon greetings. So can you tell me how we greet in afternoon?
Habari ya mchana.
Very good.
Habari ya mchana.
Very good. Habari ya mchana. Or you can say habari za mchana. It's all okay. Mchana, it's afternoon. So mchana is afternoon. Habari ya mchana. Habari za mchana. All the same. You see my students here, just for a little while, but they can speak in Kiswahili. because this, but now they've already picked Kiswahili. Habari mchana. Mchana. Habari ya mchana. Good
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Habari ya mchana. Good afternoon. So, okay, before I go to how you answer, let's first of all learn the evening greetings in Kiswahili.
Jioni.
Now, how do you say good evening? How do you greet somebody at evening time?
At evening, habari ya jioni.
Good.
Jioni.
Jioni. Jioni is evening. And you know, the good thing with the Swahili class is that we teach Kiswahili and we also teach how to pronounce. So they also learn how to pronounce. So habari ya
jioni.
Let me write it.
Habari ya jioni.
Jioni. Habari ya jioni or habari za jioni. Habari ya jioni. Jioni, that's evening. So all the greetings, they start with habari ya. Habari ya. So the difference, once you can pronounce habari ya, then you master that. Asubuhi, in the morning, mchana, afternoon, and jioni, evening. Now you'll be able to know the greetings, which is very important in Kiswahili. So habari ya asubuhi, habari za mchana or ya mchana, and habari ya jioni. Those are 3 greetings from morning to evening. Now, how do you answer? How do you answer the greetings? Habari ya asubuhi.
Nzuri sana.
Very good. Mzuri sana. Habari ya mchana.
Nzuri sana.
Good. Mzuri sana. And then habari ya jioni.
Nzuri sana.
Very good. Mzuri sana. It's fine. Now, another answer you can give, if I say, you can also always use njema. Habari asubuhi, njema. Habari ya mchana, njema. Habari ya jioni, njema. Which means fine, fine, fine. I'm teaching simple Kiswahili that is quick to learn and also quick to master. So you can always, for all the greetings, you can use njema or mzuri sana. Let me write them down. Sana. Let me write it correctly, sana. So, habari ya asubuhi, mzuri sana. Habari ya mchana, mzuri sana. Habari ya jioni, mzuri sana. Or you can say njema. Njema. Kiswahili have no complication on writing. You write it the way it's pronounced.
Njema.
Njema. Habari ya asubuhi, njema.
Fine.
Habari ya mchana, njema. Habari ya jioni, njema. Fine, fine, fine. Mzuri sana, mzuri sana, mzuri sana. So those are the 3 types of greetings in Kiswahili. and they're very important. They're very important. For example, people are coming home. You're coming to this continent. Now you get to the airport. Now, you want, you're in the airport and somebody say hi to you, habari, you know how to answer. And then now you want to know, you want to go somewhere. Or somebody's taking you somewhere. How can you ask that person, where are we going? You're in the airport, now you take a taxi or somebody come to pick you. You want to ask that person, where are we going? How can you ask that in Kiswahili?
Tunaenda wapi?
Very good.
Tunaenda wapi?
Tunaenda wapi. You can see how they've quickly learned Kiswahili. Tunaenda wapi. Let me write it down. Tunaenda wapi. Okay. This is P-I. Where are we going? I like the way he pronounce. I'm very happy for tunaenda wapi. Where are we going? Tunaenda wapi. Where are we going? Tunaenda wapi. You say it again?
Tunaenda wapi.
Good. Tunaenda wapi. For example, if you're going home, he'll be able to answer you. Tunaenda home. How do you call home?
Tunaenda. Oh goodness, I know it.
Yeah, I like to see.
I want to go home. Nyumbani. Tunaenda nyumbani.
Good.
Tunaenda nyumbani.
Good. I like, you know, Kiswahili is very simple. Just like that. You see, she can speak in Kiswahili. Tunaenda nyumbani. We are going home. Tunaenda
nyumbani.
I like that part. Tunaenda nyumbani.
Yes.
Tunaenda nyumbani. We going home. So you asked a question. Tunaenda wapi. You asking somebody, where are you going? Where are you being taken? And then he answers, for example, if you are going home, tunaenda nyumbani. So nyumbani means home. Nyumbani means home in Kiswahili. Nyumbani, home. So when you get there, you find some other people and they tell you, welcome home. How do you tell them in Kiswahili, welcome home?
Karibu nyumbani.
Very good.
Karibu nyumbani.
Very good. You see how you've learned Kiswahili very quickly? And the most important is that now we shall put it so that it's simple to learn. Karibu nyumbani. Nyumbani, it's home. Now, the word karibu means welcome. Welcome. Let me write it down. Karibu. I like that fact so much.
That's great. You have a good teacher.
Very good. Karibu. Karibu means welcome. Karibu. Welcome. Karibu. Karibu. Welcome. Karibu means welcome. So if I say karibu and I said home is nyumbani, home is nyumbani. So karibu plus nyumbani will be karibu
nyumbani.
Nyumbani. So welcome home. Karibu nyumbani.
Asante sana.
And you'll say asante
Asante sana.
sana. I've just mentioned asante means thank you. You know, I'm very happy when I teach Kiswahili. I don't know, especially when you have people who are willing to learn. I'm very happy because it's simple and I also enjoy teaching Kiswahili. So you say asante.
Asante.
Which means thank you. Asante. Thank you. Let me write it here. Asante. 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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Asante. Thank you. Karibu. Asante. Asante sana. Sana. I know somebody will be asking me how I write asante. There's an asante with an H, which is asante. So in case somebody out there think asante, I use this one because it's they all asante, they all that asante and that asante, they all asante. They mean the same thing. So I actually know where I'm heading to. So asante means welcome, welcome. So if I say thank you very much, how do I say in Kiswahili?
Asante sana.
Very good.
So asante is thank you.
Asante is thank you. And then I say asante sana means
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So let me write it, put it here in sentence. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Now you can see for the little of the greetings, and now you get to the airport, you can be able to ask somebody, where are we heading to? Where are we going?
Tunaenda wapi?
Tunaenda wapi? Where are we going? And then he'll answer you, tunaenda nyumbani. Nyumbani means home. Tunaenda nyumbani. Another question, after you get there, they'll tell you, welcome. Welcome in Kiswahili. So they'll tell you, karibu. Karibu, welcome. And then you'll say, asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Wow.
Yes.
How good is Kiswahili? How
Great.
good is Kiswahili? Very nice. Those are some of the greetings in Kiswahili. Those are some of the greetings. I also would like us to learn a little bit on counting because it's also very important. on counting. We learned how to count to 1 up to 10 in Kiswahili. And we also learned about, counting is connected to the currency. So when you go there, so that to be count, you need to know how to learn, how to count in Kiswahili. So counting is also important. So we have 1, 2, 3 up to 10 we learned. So please, can you count for me 1 up to 10 in Kiswahili?
From 1 to 10?
Yes.
Moja.
Very good. That's 1. Moja.
Bili.
Good. Mbili. Mbili. And you can see how she's pronouncing very well. Mbili. That's 2.
Tatu.
Tatu. Tatu. That's 3. Tatu.
Nne.
Nne. Nne. That's 4. Nne. 4.
Tano.
Tano. Very good. Tano. That's 5. Tano. 5.
Sita.
Sita. 6. Very good. Sit, and you know how to count quickly. I love that. I love that courage. Thank you very much. Sita. That's 6.
Saba.
Saba. Saba. That's 7. Saba. 7.
Nane.
Nane. Very good. Nane. That's number 8. Nane.
Tisa.
Tisa. That's 9. Tisa. In Kiswahili, 9. Tisa.
And kumi.
And kumi is number 10. So let me write them here. Moja.
Moja, bili, tatu.
And then there is, why they know how to count that quickly, because I formed a song that goes with counting. So when they sing the song, you know how to count fast. Can you please sing the song for us, please? So that people can also understand. When you can be able to sing that song, you know how to count already.
Okay. Moja, bili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi.
Very good. She learned from the song how to count. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Very good. Moja. That's 1. 2, mbili. Tatu. Nne. Tano. Sita.
Yes. Saba.
Saba.
Nane.
Saba. Nane. Tisa. Kumi.
Kumi.
Yes.
Kumi.
These are the numbers. Moja. Mbili. Tatu. Nne.
Tano.
Tano.
Sita.
Sita.
Saba.
Saba.
Nane.
Nane.
Tisa.
Tisa.
Kumi.
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 So that's how it's written. You can see from 10, 9 up to 1. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. Very good. Very good. So if kumi is 10, if kumi is 10 and moja is 1, you don't need anything to count 1 up to 19. I don't need to teach you how to count 1 up to 19 once you can master 1 up to 10. Because now if 1 is 1 and 10 is here. Therefore, if 10 is kumi, so 11 will be kumi na moja. You just say na moja. 12 will be kumi na mbili. That's 12. 13 will be kumi na tatu. That's 13. 14 will be kumi na nne. Very good. And 15 will be kumi na tano. Very good. Now 16 will be kumi na sita. 17 will be kumi na saba. And 18 will be kumi na nane. And then 19 will be kumi na tisa. So once you know how to count 1 up to 10, you can be able to count 1 up to 19. Kumi na moja. If you just take kumi, you say na. Na means and. So kumi na moja, kumi na mbili, kumi na tatu, kumi na nne, kumi na tano, kumi na sita, kumi na saba, kumi na nane, kumi na tisa, which is 19. So the next thing here on counting will be, how do you say 20 in Kiswahili?
Ishirini.
Very good.
Ishirini.
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 Let me write it here. Number 20. That is ishirini. Ishirini.
Ishirini.
Ishirini. Ishirini. Is it? I don't know if I'm doing it too well. Yeah. It's ishirini. 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 That's 20. So when I get to kumi na tisa, which is 19, I'll say ishirini, which is 20. Ishirini. Ishirini. That is 20. After ishirini, so if I can teach you how to say 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, you can be able to count all this for yourself in Kiswahili. Because when you get to 20, you say ishirini na moja. Just as we started with 10 here, as we were saying, kumi na moja. Now when you get to 20, it's the same case. You now start saying ishirini na moja, ishirini na mbili, ishirini na tatu, ishirini na nne, up to ishirini na tisa, which is 29. So how do we say, let me test my student here if we together on a lesson. So how do I say 12 in Kiswahili?
12.
Yes.
Kumi na mbili.
Very good. Kumi na mbili. How do I say 21?
Ishirina na moja.
Very good. You've remembered. Ishirini
na moja.
Ishirini na moja. How do I say 17 in Kiswahili?
17.
Yes.
Kumi na saba.
Very good. Kumi na saba. How do I say 18 in Kiswahili?
Kumi na nina.
Nane.
Nane.
Kumi
na
na
nane.
nane. That's
Kumi na nane.
18. Kumi na nane. How do I say 5 in Kiswahili?
Tano.
Tano. Very good. That shows you how progressive they are and willing to learn Kiswahili. Now, from 20, I'm enjoying I enjoy teaching. You know, Kiswahili is very interesting. I really enjoy teaching Kiswahili. Now, I like to teach 20, 30, 40, and then from there, 20, 30, 30.
Thelathini.
My pen, I don't know.
Oh, you think you have to use the black?
Can I use, I don't know whether the black can.
Let's see if the black will show.
I think so. Let me use the black pen. 30.
Let's see if it shows.
Thelathini. It's good, yeah.
Thelathini.
Yes, that's 30.
Thelathini.
Very good. Thelathini.
Thelathini.
That's 30. And then you have 40, which is arobaini.
Arobaini.
40, arobaini.
Arobaini.
Arobaini. I'll also teach you the pronunciation. Don't worry, you're here. I'm here. Arobaini, that's 40. And then you have 50, which is hamsini. Very good. You can see you remembering. Hamsini. You have hamsini, that's 50. Hamsini. Hamsini, that's 50. And then you have 60. Sitini. Yes. Sitini, that's 60. Sitini. Sitini, 60. And then you have 70, which is sabini. 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 That's 70. And then we and then we have 80, which is themanini. Yeah. Themanini. It's not hard actually. If you want to know them, you know them. Themanini. Themanini.
30 and 50 together. Themanini.
Yeah.
Wow.
I remember you have 30, thelathini, and now you have themanini,
right,
which is 80. That's themanini. And then you have 90. Very good. 90. Tisini.
I see the pattern.
Tisini.
Tisini.
That's 90.
Tisini.
Tisini. 90. Tisini. And then 100. Can you tell me how you say 100 in Kiswahili?
Mia moja.
Okay. Why do we say mia moja? Okay, let me write it here first. Okay. If I can say 100 is mia. Okay.
100 is mia. Sorry.
So if I say mia moja, which means moja is 1. Okay. So if I say mia moja, it means 100.
Okay.
So if I say mia mbili,
200.
that's 200.
Okay.
So if I say mia tisa, mia tisa,
900.
that's 900 because tisa is 9. Okay. Tisa is 9. So if I say mia saba,
7.
That's
700.
700 because saba is
7.
7. So here in the middle, from tisini, themanini, sabini, sitini, hamsini. Okay. Sabini, saba. That's 7. So if you look at 7, sabini, saba, sabini. They're almost
same.
Tisini, tisa, tisini, tis. You see? So if I just add an A here, it becomes 9. So tisini, that's how I'm trying to teach you how to master these the tens.
Okay.
Tisa, tisini, tisa, tisini. That's 9, 90. And then you have nane, that's themanini, that does not match. Sita, sitini, saba, sabini. They're almost going with how their numbers are going. Ishirini, that's 20. Thelathini, that's tatu. Arobaini, that's 4. Hamsini, but you just master them. If you really want to know them, you'll know them. They're not easy. So once you reach up to 100, on counting, once you know 1 up to 10, and then now you want to count any number here in the middle, it's very easy because now you can say, for example, if I want to say 65, I'll say sitini na tano. Any number, you pick any number from here. If it's 50, I'll just say, let me say 55. I'll just say hamsini na tano. Pick it from here. You can make any number using these numbers by yourself. Then you get to mia moja, mia mbili, up to mia tisa. Now you get to 1,000, which is elfu moja. For today, I would teach more than 1,000. Let's sit there. Elfu moja.
Elfu moja.
Okay. 1,000. Elfu. So how can I say 9,000? If 1,000 is elfu.
Elfu tisa.
Very good.
Ooh.
Elfu tisa.
Elfu tisa.
I've clapped for you. I've clapped for you as well. So how do I say 1,500?
Elfu na
1,500.
elfu mia tano.
Very good.
Woo!
Very much.
Mia tano.
You've tried. You've tried. You know, that's a number that I've not teach about it, and she has really tried. Elfu moja, it's 1,000. Elfu moja na mia tano.
Okay, elfu moja mia tano.
Yeah, you can, even if you say elfu moja mia tano, it's understanding here.
Okay.
Elfu moja, I'm very happy for you because that was quite challenging. That's how exams come.
Yeah.
Once you know the numbers, then the exams come like that. Elfu moja na mia tano.
Oh,
how do I say na? That means if it's 2,000, you'll say elfu mbili na.
Oh, okay.
Mia
tano.
Tano.
Okay.
So can you tell me 3,700? It's right there.
Elfu. You say 300?
3,700.
Elfu tatu Na mia saba.
Very good. 3,000 na 700. You see, if you know all these, the currency counting up to where you've reached, you can do business in the continent. Because many people who here in the marketplace where you can buy small stuffs, they speak in Kiswahili. So you can do business with only these few words I've written here. If you can master them, there is no any amount you can't mention here. To these few I've written here, you can mention any amount because there is 1 up to 100, 60, 20 up to 90. All the numbers are here.
Yes.
When you get to million, it's millioni. Million is millioni.
We'll get there.
We'll get there. For now, let's deal with this one. I think for today, I think we should learn that, which is okay. So my encourage is that let's learn Kiswahili. Let's learn Kiswahili. It's a good language. You can communicate with anybody, I repeat, in the continent. And as you know that now Swahili has become officially the language of the whole continent. So everybody would like to learn Kiswahili. Let's learn Kiswahili. Tujifunze Kiswahili. Kiswahili kitukuzwe na nitafurahia sana tunaposema kwa lugha ya Kiswahili. I'll be very happy when you speak in Kiswahili. Kusema is to speak or kuongea is to speak. So jamani, karibuni sana. When I say karibuni sana, what do I say?
You're welcome.
You welcome all. Karibuni nyote. Tujifunze lugha ya Kiswahili. Lugha is language. Lugha. Language. Karibuni nyote. Tujifunze. We learn. Kujifunza. Lugha, language, of Kiswahili. Asanteni. Tukutane tena. Let's meet again. We shall meet again in our next lesson. Time like this, day like this, and we shall all be blessed as we proceed in this journey of learning Kiswahili. Asanteni sana.
Naha furaha sana.
Asante, you say that means you're very happy. Nina furaha sana. Nina furaha sana. You're very happy. Shukran.
Shukrani. Grateful.
Asante. Shukran. You are grateful. Shukran. Shukrani. It will be in our next lesson as well. So I'm just listening from my student here.
Shukrani.
Yeah, shukrani. Thank you very much. Grateful. Shukran. Asante. Thank you very much. Na karibuni nyote. Asante.